So I posted a video on how you can get multiple channel, or why you should get multiple channel rather. And I have a whole lot of comments. A lot of people said, teach us how to create multiple accounts on one channel, teach us how to have like 2, 3 YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create multiple channel on one account. But at the end of this video, I am going to tell you the disadvantages and the advantage attached to it. And I'm also going to tell you if you are supposed to do this or you're not supposed to do this, or if you should look for another alternative or not. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Bible Sonia, and I'm back again with another man blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time seeing you, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's just go right into this video. So to get your multiple channel, we are going to use our Chrome, okay? So we are going to be using our Chrome to do this. And I'm just going to get my screen record started, and I'm going to be attaching it either here or here. A lot of you guys have said anytime I'm doing screen record, I should make sure that I'm making it very clear. And yes, accepted, challenge accepted, okay? So right now, my screen record is all started. The first thing I need to do is to click on the Chrome, okay? So this is my desktop version of my YouTube channel. If you don't know how to click, or if you don't know how to get your desktop version of your YouTube channel, all you need to do is to click on this heading here, and then you're going to be typing what? YouTube. Okay, so let me type it: youtube.com. Okay, desktop. Okay, so this is it: youtube.com desktop. If you click on it, you are just going to do what? You're going to hold on to your tab, or you're going to like long press the surface of your Chrome, and then the next you're going to be clicking is to click on open new tab. So if you click on open new tab, you're just going to click this other end here, and if you check the down part of it, you're going to be seeing your new tab, of which you're going to be getting your exact desktop version of your YouTube studio, exactly how it's supposed to be on your laptop. Okay, so right now this is the interface, and the next thing I'm going to be doing is to go ahead and click on this my picture. So I'm just going to go ahead to zoom this so that you guys can see exactly what I am doing. So I just zoom this, and I'm going to click on this my picture. And once I click on this my picture, I'm going to do what? Let it load. Okay, so once it's loaded, you can see that you have your what? You have your Google account, um and the rest of all of this thing you're seeing. There is no need of me naming them one after the other. And the next thing you're going to do is to scroll up and click on settings. So once you click on settings, you are going to go back, and you're going to be seeing something like this, which is channel status and future, create a new channel, view advanced setting. Okay, so you can see it here. This is it. You can see everything that is happening here. So the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and do what? Create a new channel. So if you click on create a new channel, this is how it's going to look like once you click on create a new channel. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is to put the name of the channel you actually want to create. So let's say the name of the channel I want to create now is vlogs by vibes. Okay, so let's say this is vlogs by vibes, and I'm going to be clicking what? I understand. It is very important. Once you click on I understand, you're going to be seeing what? Create. And if you click on create, automatically you have created a new channel. So even if you want to go ahead and create multiple YouTube channel under just one account, you can go ahead and do this thing exactly. Okay, and the second way you can create a YouTube channel, okay, without putting it under that same particular YouTube account or one account on YouTube, is what? By creating a new Gmail account. If you create a new Google account, you are going to do what? Create. I think I've done a video about that as well. I'll be linking it in the description box. Okay, and you can see that right now my channel is created. Okay, you can see vlogs by so person is created already. Can you see it, guys? So even if you go to your normal YouTube site here, you can just go ahead and do what? And change this. You can see that under this, you are seeing the account here. Okay, so if you want to switch this account, you need to just click on switch account. And if you click on switch account, you're going to be seeing it. You can see vlogs by vibes as well. So if you see vlog by vibes, anyone you want to click, you can click, and then that's it. This is just the simplest way you can create your YouTube channel under one account. Now, I said by the end of this video, I am going to be telling you guys the disadvantages and advantages if you should do it or not. So let me end the screen record. So the question now is this: should I go ahead and create this? For me personally, I created my account. My three YouTube accounts has like different emails. Okay, they have like different Google accounts. Okay, that is what I actually do, and that is what I should also advise you to do. Okay, because if you go ahead to create your YouTube channel under one account, unforeseen circumstances can happen. Nobody's praying for bad thing, but we just need to play safe. Okay, what if one channel goes down? Automatically the remaining channels are going down. Except if one channel go down, will this one be safe? I don't think it's going to be safe. Okay, so if one Google account just go down, that means all of your channels are down. Okay, so if you want to create multiple, I will advise you to create just one extra account under any of your YouTube channel accounts you want to create, and any extra you're trying to create it separately. I don't advise you to put all of your heads in one basket. You need to play safe, okay? Anything can happen at any time, like I've said. And then the advantage is this: if you create one account under like one Gmail account, it gets to be a lot more easy for you to be able to like manage your account, do everything you want to do just in one space. Okay, so you don't need to be like, which email am I switching for today and the rest of that. Are you seeing that there's also an advantage to it? Okay, and this is what I also want to put out there. Even if you create your account, your multiple accounts on one Gmail account, or you create your multiple accounts on different email accounts, it doesn't stop you for linking your YouTube channel with one Google AdSense. So if you have three accounts and you want to link one Google AdSense to your YouTube channel, you can also do that. Okay, so don't be scared, because a lot of people have asked questions like, if I'm now able to create my account with different email, will I be able to link? Yes, you will be able to link. If I now create my multiple accounts under one Gmail account, will I still be able to link my Google AdSense to my multiple accounts? Yes, you can do that. Okay, so in any one you're trying to do at all, you are safe. You can do that when it comes to AdSense. But you now need to check after the illustration and everything I've said. You now need to check and know the right one for you. For me, I did not create, and to be honest, I'm not willing to create just one email account on every other stuff. The only thing that I know that I can really do is I will just put a mail. Anytime I'm creating a new mail, I'll just make sure I put a password that I will not forget, a password that I can remember. And I also have like where I document all my password and everything regarding my emails, my YouTube channel, my Google AdSense, and every other stuff. Okay, so it is better for me that anytime I want, or probably I forgot one account password, I can just hurriedly go there and like recover my password and the rest of that. It is very, very important. And another thing I'm going to be bringing down to you is, if you have not opened or put your two-step verification on your YouTube channel account, or on your Google account, or on whatever accounts you're operating, you are wrong. Make sure you do your two-step verification. Aside your two-step verification, also make sure that you have a recovery email. Okay, you have a recovery email. And for me, all my YouTube channel mail, I have a separate mail for recovery mails. Okay, so you can also use your sense and do exactly what I'm doing. Anyways, I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. If you have any other opinion, let me know in the comment section. If you feel like one or two things that I said here is very, very helpful, let me know. If you also want to me to film any video for you, any video of your choice at all, let me know in the comment section, because my job here is, the more you're saying, I am going to be delivering to you. You guys know that I deliver a lot. Okay, so yes, thank you so much for staying stick and hook me to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed, do what? Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like always say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.